Welcome to our video where we unravel the complexities of electrical maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we'll shed light on what electrical maintenance entails, its importance, and how you can effectively carry it out. Whether for a home or a business, maintaining electrical systems is crucial for operations and safety. We'll also highlight how tools like computerized maintenance management systems can make your work easier. Buckle up for an enlightening journey into the world of electrical maintenance. In today's world, electricity is the lifeblood of almost all production facilities. Whether it's powering complex computer numerical control machines or simply lighting up a workspace, electricity is an essential part of your maintenance strategy. So, what exactly is electrical maintenance? Well, it's just as it sounds. It's maintenance focused on electrical equipment and machinery. This isn't just important for businesses, but it's also crucial for homes to stay up and running. Now, the scale of electrical maintenance can vary. For homes, it's usually on a smaller scale, dealing with simpler appliances with low to medium power requirements. But for businesses, it's a whole different ballgame. Businesses require more complex setups with more safety measures to be checked. For instance, residential electrical components usually use single-phase power supplies, which are less demanding in terms of wiring and safety devices. But commercial and industrial settings often require a three-phase power setup to energize heavier-duty equipment. This, in turn, would require higher capacity protective devices. Hiring the right electrician for the job can make a world of difference in terms of safety and reliability. So, always be mindful of the type of equipment and environment that your facility has when planning your electrical needs. Now, let's talk about what electrical maintenance includes. It covers a broad range of appliances. Some devices more obviously require maintenance attention than others. Key types of equipment that you definitely need to check include power supplies and generators, machines running on electricity, surge protectors, lighting systems, fans and cooling systems, and any kind of digital communication. Electrical maintenance is not just about keeping production going, but it's also about keeping the workplace safe. It can help minimize fire damage, keep timelines on track, and minimize high-cost repairs. So, how can you maintain your electrical system effectively? Here are 4 tips to get you started. First, opt for preventative maintenance. Electrical failures can be catastrophic, putting the safety of workers and equipment in danger. A preventative maintenance strategy is your best bet to minimize the risk of breakdowns. Second, set thresholds for usage. Deterioration on electrical devices may not be easily noticed. It's best to set thresholds for usage to catch and reduce wear and tear before actual failure. Third, have an on-staff electrical technician. DIY repairs and troubleshooting aren't always a good idea. It's best to hire a trained worker to avoid faulty fixes. And fourth, use a CMMS or a computerized maintenance management system for maintenance checks. This eases the manual work in tracking the maintenance activities done on each electrical device within the facility. Now, let's talk about how to achieve awesome electrical maintenance using a CMMS. Step 1. Ensure all required assets are in the system. A CMMS is an effective tool to consolidate all your asset data into one place. Step 2. Capture the maintenance strategy for each asset. This would enable the easier scheduling of maintenance activities with clear accountabilities. Step 3. Automate your manual processes. This enables the team to spend their time on higher value work. Step 4. Get your team on board. Having a CMMS enables the team to engage in a collective effort to provide updates. And finally, Step 5. Gather and analyze the data. CMMS programs have robust reporting tools that provide useful insights into the team's performance. In conclusion, electrical maintenance is a challenging task that each facility must overcome. Tools such as CMMS and asset management software make maintenance execution easier and more accurate by automating the tedious manual components. Now, you might be wondering, why is electrical maintenance important? It promotes not only continued productivity and reliability, but also safety in the workplace. An electrical maintenance technician helps install, maintain, troubleshoot, and repair electrical components and systems. They ensure that electrical devices and electrical safety devices are working properly. And finally, there are 3 main types of electrical maintenance: residential, commercial, and industrial. Each of these categories deals with different types of equipment and different power setups. So, remember to tailor your electrical maintenance strategy to your specific needs. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of electrical maintenance, how to carry it out effectively, and the benefits of using a CMMS. Remember, maintaining your electrical systems is not just crucial for operations, but also for safety. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our services, visit UpKeep.com. We look forward to helping you streamline your maintenance processes.